Welcome to this video, where we explore the Jordanian dinar, providing a definitive profile of this fascinating currency. The Jordanian dinar, introduced in 1950, replaced the Palestinian pound. The Central Bank of Jordan issues the currency, which has the official abbreviation JOD, while citizens often use the unofficial JD. 1 dinar is equivalent to 100 kirsch, also called piastres, or 1,000 fils. The central bank stopped minting fils coins, but merchants still write prices using 3 decimal places. The journey to currency independence began in 1927 with the Palestine pound. The Jordan Currency Board was established in 1949, and the Jordanian dinar became legal tender in 1950. The Central Bank of Jordan took over note production in 1964. A notable change occurred in 1992, shifting the English text on coins from fils and dinar to piastres and dinar. Corresponding changes were made to the Arabic text, dropping fils and dirham. The fifth issue coins include 1 kirsch, 5 piastres, and 10 piastres, each with distinct metal specifications. These range from copper-plated steel for the 1 kirsch to nickel-plated steel for the larger denominations. The 1/4 and 1/2 dinar coins are 7-sided, a unique feature. The 1/4 dinar is brass, while the 1/2 dinar is bimetallic, featuring an aluminum-bronze outer ring and a copper-nickel inner core. Banknote evolution saw 5 major issues, with the Jordan Currency Board issuing the first 2. Authority was transferred to the central bank in 1964, leading to new designs and improved security features in subsequent issues. The 2022 banknote series features different colors and prominent figures. Denominations range from 1 dinar, featuring King Hussein bin Ali, up to 50 dinars, featuring King Abdullah II bin al-Hussein. Jordan pegs the dinar to the IMF special drawing rights. In practice, the central bank fixes the currency to the US dollar, with $1 strictly equaling 0.709 dinar. Over time, the dinar has maintained its value against the US dollar, especially since the early 1990s, recovering from a depreciation in 1988-1989 due to foreign debts.